All right, hello people. So when it comes to certain trig problems, you're going to be asked to rationalize your answer or expression. Uh, and we're going to demonstrate that through this process. We're going to use SOHCAHTOA to help us find the three trig ratios, sine, cosine, and tangent for this triangle, and then we're going to rationalize the answers we need to rationalize. All right. So sine, based on is opposite over hypotenuse, so that would be 1 over the square root of 10. Cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse, which is 3 over the square root of 10. And tangent is opposite over adjacent, which is 1 over 3. Okay, those are my three trig ratios. Now, only one of them is rationalized. This one. Okay, this one is rationalized. The other two we need to rationalize. Let's take sine of theta. Sine of theta equals 1 over the square root of 10. Okay. Now, as you can see, the bottom is a radical. We want to cancel out the radical at the bottom. That's what it means to rationalize, to cancel out the root or radical at the bottom. So in order to do that, I'm going to multiply it by the square root of 10. If I do that to the bottom, I also have to do it to the top, times the square root of 10. Okay? Square root of 10 times the square root of 10 makes the roots cancel, and we're just left with 10. And then 1 times the square root of 10 is just square root of 10. And here is sine of theta rationalized. Next is cosine of theta. Cosine of theta is 3 over the square root of 10. Okay, again, we don't want the bottom to have a radical or a root, so we would multiply top and bottom by square root of 10 and square root of 10, and I would get 3 square root of 10 on the top. We can't combine them, just leave them separate, divided by, remember, square root of 10 times square root of 10 would be 10. And there we go. Rationalized sine and cosine, and tangent was originally already rationalized because the bottom was not a radical. It's okay for the radicals to be on the top. Just when we're rationalizing the expression, we got to make sure that the bottom does not have any roots.